Oh, no, this one good.
If Anas will give, for example, 200 real or 250 real,
Yes.
I will buy in Villaggio Mall.
250 real give, okay, no problem. Need
Yes.
more, all people give.
No problem. We will give extra.
Yes, extra, no
Yes, I
extra,
pay. Also, I
need,
pay extra, no
but no
problem.
problem, all people pay extra. No problem.
But need good
250.
quality.
Yes.
250 give,
Yes,
no
this
problem.
one no problem. We can buy good quality.
Yes, pant, tie, shoe, all. Maybe Anna's heart.
Yes, broken.
Anna's heart. Any give.
I will show John. I will show you my uniform.
Hmm.
This one same brand. This one Arcal gave 3 years ago.
Oh,
3 years ago. I will show you the cloth. This one I use Alatul.
now also use?
Yes, I will show you.
Oh, very good.
3 years I use. This one same brand in Villaggio. This one 50 real in Villaggio. This brand. But maybe before when Arcal buy this one, maybe only this one maybe 35.
Hmm.
But now price high. But this one same.
Hasan ka?
Because if you will buy, if you will make, you see, there's also so John making pants only 60 reals, huh?
Yes.
Making pants 60 real only.
এনো প্যান্ট বানাই দিলে 60 রিয়াল নিব
Yes. Maybe Anas give money.
I'm making here.
I'm making it's better.
Yes, this is good.
Okay, you talk to Anas. Anas, you give money. We are making from Bata.
Yeah, if they want make or they want ready made, because difference only 20 real.
Yes.
Also the cloth 60 real, good quality.
Good quality.
Very soft. Good only 60 real.
This month making, huh? After next month, one date coming or open this school.
Yes, this week, not month.
Hey, kida.